It's finally here. Let's take a look. Oh, you know what? I'll be right back. All right, so this is the brand new Canon EOS R5. I pre-ordered on launch day and probably one of the first ones on B&H to purchase this because I put in my order the moment it went live, even before the announcement. I saw it on the website, clicked the buy, and then I went and watched all the videos to talk about what this camera is because I've been waiting for this thing forever now. I actually have a Canon R5 right now, and I'm shooting with this. Sorry, this is the R5C. I'm so used to saying R5. I've been waiting for the R5C ever since I picked up the R5 because there's just little issues that this camera completely fixes that. So I've been really excited about this. Now, I said I'd be right back because this is actually kind of interesting. This is the Canon EOS R5 box. You know, this is what you expect when you pick up a stills camera. This box, on the other hand, this is very similar to the cinema line boxes that you get on your C200, C300. It's brown, it's very utilitarian, so the cameras are very similar, but the presentation is very different. Now, this video is just an unboxing and my initial impressions. Maybe an in-depth video later about the camera itself. This is just very quick first impression stuff. The way it is packaged inside, because they went with this kind of packaging here, rather than this, is, you can already see it is a very big difference. I actually really don't like the way that they do the regular R5. You got all these white plastic boxes. It's really hard to put it back and make sure you can actually close the box. This is an origami of cardboard. I think I actually prefer this because it's going to be easier to put everything back in later. Now, what I've got, this must be the camera. Let's take a look at what else is in the box. So this is the USB-C Type-C cable with the clamp where you can screw it in so that it doesn't come out. You got the manual. You've got the battery charging brick. This is just your normal LPE6, and you've got the LPE6. Actually, no, this is LPE6N battery. So there you go. Quick note, you know that this is an LPE6 battery based on the little gold sticker right on the back. Now this is interesting. This is the lanyard for the R5C. This is what you usually get from the R5. Clearly you get something a little bit thicker. The camera's not necessarily much thicker or heavier to need something different, but I guess because it's a cinema camera, you get something different. This is the camera. You know what? I don't know what I was expecting, but the R5C feels exactly the same in the hands as the R5. Clearly, you got this big chunky fan here, module in the back. That's no surprise, but I guess it's just to say that the R5 was a very light camera. And you know, probably half of the issue is the battery is not in. Once you get the battery in, it should feel a little bit more normal. Yeah, no. Oh, and it's gotta be the lens. So the lack of a lens is, you know, the other big thing. The other major difference, besides the fact that there is a cooling fan on the back, is the buttons are a little bit different. You've got more cinema, or you got the same layout of the buttons, right? But you've got more options, or you have the additional labels for the dual options of the buttons when you flip it into photo versus video mode. So That's interesting. And you can see up top, Cinema EOS, it's a C camera. You got the big red button, and the light that up here tells you that you are shooting. So that is very, very welcome, because this camera is mainly going to be used for shooting video. I'll need to have stills capability, but running a small YouTube channel, this is my main method of shooting. And this is going to be my main camera once I replace the R5 that I've got. I think I'm going to cut the video right here. This is just a quick look and unboxing of the R5C. Maybe I'll make a few other videos down the road about my final thoughts and overall thoughts once I've had a little bit more time with it. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe and look out for that video. As always, my name is Stan, and I'll see you guys in the next one.